What's up, everybody? So I'm on day 2.5, but second car of the 2025 hail season. Got a Lexus in the bay today. It's a black one. Black, you really got to slick out when you do the PDR work on it. It's a combo repair, so it's a little beat up on the roof and the hood. They're going to replace that, but I'm going to take care of everything else. Check it out. All right, this is a black Lexus SUV. It's real beat up on the sides. The top panels kind of got killed, the roof and the hood, and that top rail. So it's going to be a combination repair between me and the body shop. I'm going to do as much PDR as I can, and they're going to do their thing. I've got this side pretty much done. Just got to smooth out a couple things in the top of that quarter panel, and then this side will be all good. There were some dents on that fuel door. There was like 2 big marble-sized dents right through the body line, so got those all fixed up. Gonna put that back on. This is my tool cart. I really like the Milwaukee boxes. I think it keeps everything neat and tidy. And I'll show you what I got in my toolbox here in the drawers. Some R&I tools, and that's my buffer, mini buffer. And these are all my batteries, glue gun, little speaker for some jams, and just miscellaneous stuff. I like to keep my cart neat and tidy. I think the cleaner you can keep your workstation, the better work you can do. And here we go.